Looking to break into the oil and gas industry, or level up your skills in petroleum geoscience, engineering, mining, or digital technology? Welcome to Integrated ELVEE Services Limited, a leading provider of industry-grade training for energy professionals, with learners from Nigeria, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and beyond. Headquartered in Enugu, Nigeria, and with liaison offices in Port Harcourt and Lagos, Integrated ELVEE Services offers you hands-on training, global certification, and flexible learning, all at affordable rates. At IES, you can enroll in individual short courses, or go all in and earn a professional diploma by completing a full training track in any of our 5 modules. Module 1, Exploration, Appraisal, and Prospect Assessment. Diploma in Petroleum Geoscience. Courses: Introduction to Petroleum Geoscience and Structural Geology. Introduction to Basin Analysis, Sedimentology and Stratigraphy, Prospecting, Evaluation and Prospect Assessment, Seismic Acquisition, Processing and Interpretation, Fault Traps and Seal Analysis, Seismic Inversion and AVO Attribute Analysis. Take all 6 and earn your diploma, or study each one as a short course. Module 2, Development, Well Geology and Operations. Diploma in Petroleum Geoscience and Engineering. Courses include Pore Pressure Prediction, Pore Pressure and Fracture Gradient Surveillance, Drilling and Rock Mechanics, Geosteering and Reservoir Navigation, Well Site Geology, Operations Geology. Module 3, Formation Evaluation and Well Monitoring. Diploma in Petroleum Geoscience. Courses include Logging while Drilling and Wireline, Log Interpretation and Petrophysics, Coring and Special Core Analysis, Mud Logging and Well Follow-Up, Drilling Fluids and Mud Engineering, Gas while Drilling and Applications. Module 4, Production and Reservoir Management. Diploma in Petroleum Geoscience and Engineering. Courses 4D/Time-Lapse Seismic Monitoring, Well Tests and Interpretations, Well Completions, Production and Well Interventions, Well Performance and Flow Analysis, Field and Reservoir Management. Module 5, Mining, Unconventional Resources and Gas. Diploma in Geoscience, Mining and Gas Resources. Courses Remote Sensing and Digital Elevation Model (GIS), Quantitative Geomorphology and Hydrodynamics, Unconventional Hydrocarbon Resources, Mineral Resources, Mining and Economic Geology, Natural Gas Prospecting, Production and Utility.
Additionally, we offer courses and trainings such as Geosciences Laboratory Analysis, Field Training, Digital Technology Application in the E&P industry, and software trainings.
Whether you're just starting or looking to specialize, ELVEE gives you practical training, flexible options, and career-transforming opportunities. Enroll today, and let's shape the future of energy together.
For further inquiries, WhatsApp +234 908 027 8616. Call +234 703 7628 734. Visit our website at www.iesog.com. Connect with our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you.